Anioma is not southeast. It is domiciled in the southern region of Nigeria, and nothing will change it. You don't force anyone to be part of your tribe. This is what the enemies are propagating to make sure that Igbo nation is divided. He said Anioma is not southeast, that Anioma is south-south. After Nigeria was created, Anioma people were zoned to western region. Now western region, Anioma people did that time. After some time, Bini people and Anioma people started complaining that Yoruba people are marginalizing them, that they want to leave western region. The government of Nigeria now removed Anioma people, Edo people, and Urobo people from western region and put them in midwestern region. After some time, Anioma people, Urobo people started complaining that Bini people are marginalizing them. And because of that, Anioma people and Urobo people were carved out from Bini people. That was how we got Edo State and Delta State. Bini people can't get their own state. Anioma and Urobo people can't get their own states. Now, as we did for Delta State now, for South-South, we Anioma people are complaining of marginalization. We are saying that they are marginalizing us in Delta State. That we want to have our own state called Anioma. And we want that Anioma State to be zoned to the southeast where we belong. No, make this person tell us, say, no, Anioma State is supposed to be in southwest. She southwest na western region. Make it say, Anioma State is supposed to be in the southwest because that is where they are before. I checked the accounts and found out that the account is being locked. I don't block the mumu. Ndibo, if you see such accounts, block them. They are creating fake accounts to divide Igbo people. People who live western region can't join midwestern region. They can't live midwestern region, can't join south-south. Wait till make you feel say those people not go fit leave that south-south, join southeast. The reason why Anioma people are complaining of marginalization is because south-south not they do them well. They not be one people with south-south people. In this Delta State, the agenda of Okwane people is not the same with Urobo people. The agenda of Ika people is not the same with Ijo people. The agenda of Oshimiri and Anyoncha people is not the same with Isekere people. Isekere people are different people from Urobo people. Urobo people are different people from Ijo people. So how you think say all these people will be say they not get anything in common go fit coexist for the same region? If we get Anioma State can't remain for south-south, how you think say we go fit coexist with these people for south-south? Are we the same people? Anioma people will not be able to express themselves in the south-south because there not be one people with other tribes with the south-south. We not go fit feel at home for south-south because competition go too much. Bad agenda go too much. This one's going to make them grow past this one. This one go they plan different things to keep these people back. How many tribes from South truly love Igbo people? If they truly love us, why are they marginalizing us in these Delta states? The only people that love Igbo people in this country are Igbo people. No other tribe love Anioma people more than the Southeast. And this Mumu creates fake account to they divide Igbo people with lie and propaganda, but they will fail. Anioma people that are Igbo-speaking people, you want Anioma people to remain in South-South. Doing what in South-South? I've been saying this thing that if the Southeast are Urobo-speaking people and Anioma people are Urobo-speaking people, are you expecting the Anioma people that are Urobo-speaking people to remain in South-South instead of joining their Urobo brothers in the Southeast? They could just come online, they talk nonsense. Before Nigeria was created, Anioma people and the Southeast are one people. There is nothing like Southeast. There is nothing like South-South. South-South is just a creation to divide a people. For the whole world, now only Nigeria, now you will hear that word, South-South. State creation really do us bad thing. If they divide Anioma into two now, carry some part of Anioma people from Ika, from Okwane, add them for Delta State. Then the remaining ones, they can't know them as Anioma State. You go see, say, with time, some Okwane people where they for Anioma State go begin to tell you, say, those Okwane people where they Delta State, not be our brother, we not the same state, we not be brother. Some people go tell you, I won't deka, and also, then Delta State, I never win. The same way that they tell you, say, they'll not be brothers with Igbos in the Southeast because of state creation, because of River Niger. They tell you, say, water separate us, we not be one people with them. Some people don't know themselves, they don't know their brothers. Not be about no self. Some people not just get sense. If you go fit talk, say, nah, because of say we are not the same states. Even when they speak the same language, the same culture and tradition, because we are not the same states, you talk, say, we are not be brothers. See, as people they create fake page, they separate Anioma people from their Southeast brothers. Anioma people, we are never part of the Southeast. We are Anioma people part of the Sasa before. Sasa where we are Anioma people there now. Are we part of Sasa before? No. Anioma people are domiciled in the South and nothing will change it. Also, why? Poor man will just dey inside house, they write rubbish. Nobody will change it. If they can change it from Southwest down to Midwestern region, they now change it from Midwestern region to South-South. They can also change it from South-South to Southeast. River State was part of Southeast before, but today they are in South-South. If they want to take them back to Southeast, they can take them back to Southeast. Some people don't have sense. All they do is to create fake pages, dividing a people. There's nothing like, I'm not an Igbo person, I'm from South-South. That one I'll talk of person will not get sense. I'm not an Igbo person, I'm from Niger Delta. That one I'll talk of person will not feel get sense. I'm not an Igbo person, I'm from Delta State. That one I'll talk of person will not go ever get sense. South-South don't suddenly become person tribe. Niger Delta don't suddenly become person tribe. People don't know who they are anymore. You don't know who your brother be. Because of genocide against the Igbos during the Biafra war. Your father started telling you, if they tell you say be Igbo, say no, say you not be Igbo person, who you don't carry that thing grow. You don't tell that same thing to your children. You are not part of the Southeast. Who are the closest brothers to Okwane people? Southeast. Who are the closest brothers to Ika people? Southeast. Who are the closest brothers to Oshimina people? Southeast. They just create Nigeria, carry on a put for Western region, carry on a put for Midwestern region, carry on a put for Delta State. On a call it say, we not be brothers with Southeast, River Niger do this one, we not get the same dialects, we be Okwane people, we not be Igbo people. Nigeria government go just look like this. See. These ones don't have sense. That is why we keep marginalizing them. They don't have sense. Our plan is working. Let's make them fight each other. Let's make them hate each other. We are right by creating core states. As we don't create core states now, they work. They're gonna laugh you. Even as you deny your Igbo identity, tell me one good thing where you don't benefit. Okwane person cannot be the president of Nigeria. No matter how he try, he go contest 100 times, he go fail 2,000 times. Because na Igbo person him be. You are only denying your Igbo identity because you are being programmed to deny your Igbo identity. If to say you not be Igbo person, they're not going to treat you Okwane person the way that they treat our brothers for Southeast. You can see Okwane person going to say, we are not brothers with the Southeast. We are Okwane people. We are Sasa people. We are Niger Delta people. This that they're going to talk different things. Southeast just want us because of our crew that we are richer than them. We are this. See Okwane land where they backward. No good thing where they Okwane land. Poverty everywhere. Poverty don't swallow Okwane land. The reason why Okwane people are suffering is because they don't know themselves. Okwane people believe that they stand alone in Nigeria. They believe that now only them. Now why they not get power, they not get mouth. Ani so the no when you I haven't Igbo, we not be Igbo people now. So now what you go there for the amount? I haven't Igbo, I didn't can you, I haven't do you. See your land, no development. See my community Ogume. Not you go to say see what it do Ogume. Go there, go nothing. Quale nothing. Instead of us to unite with our Southeast brothers, make we know wetin they know, make we learn wetin they learn, make we grow Okwane land. You could see Okwane people that say, "Can not reading South. We not tell Senator Ned say we want Anioma State self. We not tell us say we want join Southeast. Make we dey for South. You want to be in South with people you don't understand their language, people that una not get the same culture and tradition. There is nothing the same between other tribes in the South with Okwane people. And you go see some Okwane people go dey tell you say make we dey for South, make we get Anioma State, make we dey for South. South where you dey since you know they grow. Okwane have been in South for so many years now. No development. You won't get the Anioma State, make you dey for South. If Anioma State dey for South, all those senators wey come dey that Anioma State wey dey South now, only them go just stand. Ika, Oshimiri, and Nyocha, only those 3 senators. They go just dey on their own instead of them to join Anioma State and be working with Southeast senators. Do you know how many senators we have in the Southeast? Our population go be, we go get power, we go get voice. Anything that comes with unity, we Okwane people we go to benefit from them. Ika people go to benefit from them. Oshimiri and Nyocha people go to benefit from them. Some Okwane people say no, say they want to remain for South because they don't know themselves. The propaganda where the enemies of Igbo nation don't propagate for social media, don't chop so many Anioma people brain. You don't chop so many Okwane people brain. You don't chop so many Ika people brain. So many Oshimiri and Nyocha people brain. Propaganda don't chop their brain. That's why you go see some of them online, they talk rubbish. I am in the Southeast, insecurity in the Southeast. In the Southeast, watch our crew there. Watch your knock, Kawana line you crazy. Kawana line care. Anioma people wake up. Igbo people wake up. Even as we dey South now, the right place for us to be is Southeast. Yeah, the bad people there, they tell Tinubu say, Tinubu, bring back our brothers in Kwara State, others in other states to be part of Yoruba nation. They want to unite. But our own for our people go to talk say, make we remain for South. Oh yeah, Gami, oh yeah. Make we dey South, they do waiting. People don't know themselves. Elabushi, oh when daddy no kwane kari na agwu na ejoku nka ano di nebe na agwu na ejoku. Ndokwane posane ka doji Okwane. Okwane people make una come out, make we grow Okwane land, make Okwane land good, make Okwane land be great. No, they allow waiting all these mumu people they write for social media to deceive you. We Okwane people, we are Igbo people. Ika people are Igbo people. Oshimiri and Nyocha people are Igbo people. Ukuri people are Igbo people. Oba people are Igbo people. Egbe people are Igbo people. Ndoki people are Igbo people. Egbema people are Igbo people. Opobo people are Igbo people. And so on. The right place for us to succeed is to join our brothers in the Southeast. South is not our tribe. We are Igbo people, even if we identify as Okwane people, even if we identify as Ika people, even if we identify as Oshimiri and Nyocha people. We Okwane people, we speak Igbo language. Our dialect is called Okwane. Know the difference between language and dialect. No allow person when not know himself, person with fake accounts for social media to come out, they tell you say we are not brothers with the Southeast. Okwane dialect is being called Okwane because that is the name of our region. Even for Okwane land, the way Osisa people speak is called Osisa. Onaso Okwane, if on Asubu Osisa. Onaso Okwane, if on Asubu Ogume. So the name of your community is the name of your dialect. The name of your region is the name of your dialect. Okwane people wake up, make una wise up. No allow some of our people for Okwane land when don't know themselves to they deceive you. Your papa tell you say you not be Igbo person. What is the name of your ancestor? Tell him make he tell you the meaning of your ancestor's name. Your ancestor not the Benin name. The name of your ancestor is where you belong. Your culture and tradition is where you belong. Your language is where you belong. a Yoruba speaking community, we want to be a part of Southwest. An Orobo speaking community, we want to be part of Delta State. An Igbo speaking community, we want to be part of the Southeast. Make una dey get sense. No be everything they go tell una. Senator that who coded the champion at Anioma State. Some people for one day they talk nonsense. People don't fit get sense. Kind of in the South, they make it in the South. The problem of Fukwane land is Fukwane people. Make una start to dey blame politician, everything politician. Now Fukwane people be the problem of Fukwane people. I need to talk about this Fukwane people because now there I come from. Our problem for Fukwane now Fukwane. Now they blame government. The way we the reason for Fukwane itself. Now the reason why these government people they take us play. Ukwa not get lights for 20 years. Some Ukwa people sit us say make we remain for South. Quick, Ukwa not get federal state hospital. They sit us say make we dey for South. Now the South we dey, we know they get all these things. So we dey the South, we know they get all these things. They still make we dey for South because poverty runs in their veins. Not be all Ukwa people. Even they talk say make Ukwa people. They for South. So many Ukwane people want us to be in the Southeast. I'm talking to those Ukwane people that want us to remain in South. Nde Ukwane chone kadene South. Kene megidono. Kene mono. Kene mono. We Ukwane people, we are Igbo people. Ukwane people wake up. We are expected to be in the Southeast for us to develop. Let's support Senator Ned Nwoko with whatever we have and make sure that Anioma State is being actualized and zoned to the Southeast. Ika people, Shimilanyocha people, let's wake up and support Senator Ned Nwoko. If we actualize Anioma State and make sure it's being zoned to the Southeast, it shall be well with every Anioma people because that is the right decision to make. Remain blessed, my people. Ishiagwale.